This is the color scheme that I use for my videos. Make sure you copy down the black.
Question number 13. The equation above gives the height h in feet of a ball t seconds after it's thrown straight up with an initial speed of v. Which of the following gives v in terms of h, t, and k? So you've got to isolate v. And so you write it all out, and then you can add 16t squared to both sides. And then you can subtract k over to this side, so you basically have everything equals v times t. So divide both sides by t, undo this multiplication that's understood to be here, and you bring the t over. And so I got to this point, and I looked over here, and I didn't see exactly what I saw. Like, this was what I expected to find in the answer choices, and it wasn't there. I saw this, this was kind of similar here, but there was no fraction. I saw this was very similar, h minus k. We've got h minus k plus 16 all over t. Where was the t squared? I couldn't find it. There should be a t squared if you want to choose b here, but there's not. C, it says that this is minus 16t, and no, we would need a plus 16t. But D actually is correct, because if you continue on bringing the h and the k over here, plus the 16t squared, you can actually cancel out one of these t's. So you get h minus k over t plus 16t. If you try and get here and you just cancel the t's like this, let's say this t and this t cancel, then you might think that answer choice A is the answer, and it's not. You could only, if this were multiplication here, then yes, you could cancel out one of the t's. But since you have addition, you would and subtraction, you would theoretically, if you wanted to cancel out this t at this point, you would have to cancel out a t from this term, and a t from the middle term, and a t from the next term in the numerator in order to cancel out the t's, which you can't do. So that's why D is the answer.